Hi, so I'm Michelle from the Goose's Cache, and I had a question about how to attach our hook and loop to a pocket flap and pocket flap patch. And one of my boys just was inducted into the OA, the Order of the Arrow, this weekend, so I'm busy sewing today. So I thought I'd show you. So I take their patch, and I took the hook side, which is the scratchy side, and I have sewn it on just with my needle and thread, just looping it right through on the back side of the patch. Now, I had to modify this hook bit a little bit because the patch is a bit awkward size, but it's easily done with a pair of scissors. I just snipped it on the edge to make sure it didn't hang over the edge. Once I've finished with that, I take it and I set it aside. Then we take our pocket flap and we use the fuzzy side or the loop side, and this is the bit that we're going to attach to the pocket flap. Now, my son's shirt is an older shirt, so as you can see, the little pocket flap is very small, but I'm not cutting down the size of the loop because it will fit the same size as the hook that goes on the back of the patch. So what I've done is I initially took the loop and I lined it up on the top of the pocket. And once we line that up on the top of this pocket flap, I took my needle and thread and I just started right at the edge here, and I just poked it right through, and I just went in and out and in and out all the way across the top. Now, I've already done that part, but I can show you how it attaches. And once I got to the other side and I wanted to attach this to the pocket flap without going and bending this edge, I just went in and out through the pocket and through the loop side. So you can see over on this side, I'm still working on it, and I just go right through that shirt and grab my needle and pull, and then I just poke it right back through, and I look to see where the pocket itself is, and then I poke right back through and I just pull it. And I continue doing that all the way until I got to where this buttonhole is, because I want to be able to get the button in there when the shirt is being worn. So what I did is I sewed along the edge here, and I stopped just a little bit before, about a finger's width before that pocket hole or the buttonhole, and I tied a knot and I secured it, and then I started again on the other side. And that way, when my son wants to attach this buttonhole to the button, it's easily done, and he doesn't have to struggle with the loop on top of it. So once I continue going in and out all the way to the end, then I'll just tie it off, and it will be secured so that my son can wear his shirt with his pocket flap. And if he decides to change shirts, it's very easy for him to do. He can just pull off his pocket flap and put it on another shirt. So I hope that helps you learn how to attach the hook and loop to a pocket flap, even if the shirt flap is smaller than the loop. And if you have any other questions or any other videos you'd like to see me do, just send me a comment and I will try to get it up as quickly as possible. You have a great day. Happy scouting.